What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another live trading video. We're sitting here with only 2 stocks on a Friday morning. 2 stocks up. One of them is ATNF. The other is WAFU. WAFU. So we're going to be watching them out of the open. Both of them have had their little fade points. They've had a couple of fakes, and they don't have really good news, neither one of them. So we're just going to watch them on the open, kind of see if they try to fake out. WAFU has no news at all. ATNF actually has a little bit of news that 180 Life Sciences Corp recognized R&D pioneers in anti-inflammatory therapeutics, which is not just amazing news. But we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see today what's up with these stocks. Gonna watch the open. We have about 4 minutes to the bell. We're gonna see. Let's get it. Let's get it. ATNF is ready to go. Looking like it's curling up above the VWAP. May give us another fake above the 1025, but the 1025 area is looking quite nice on it. The float is 3.49. WAFU's float is around 2 million, but now it's fading off, so no news to push it up. Let's see if this one breaks the VWAP. There's a nice little descending trend here. Little micro trend right here that it is having problems with. Looking like it wants to get up, just not giving that move just yet. Getting through that trend though. We'll see it get above this trend and hold. Two minutes to the bell. Breaking back down the trend. The bottom here is this 975. That's what it's trying to hold up. And now it is not just trying, it's popping up there. So this is 1, 2, 3 attempts at going higher. Let me zoom into my 5-minute. We're watching though. The high here is the $10 mark. Looking very iffy. This thing can go either way. I don't really want to try it right at the open, because this thing is looking like it can go either way. It tried to go up 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the break point would be the $10, but we haven't seen any red on these moves up. So we're gonna have to see at least a little bit of pullback. Throwing those wicks up there, falling back down. I don't like that action. See if it gives us some red. Yep. Will it get back into that trend? Bounced off the trend right there. We do have this top side of the 1001 that I'll be watching. $10.01 at about 5 seconds. 10.01 right there, bouncing off of that trend line again. I put my order out there at the 10.01 just in case it wants to jump up. Nice, nice, nice. All right, we're gonna play this bottom here, this low. We'll cancel that order, or maybe I'm already in. This low here is a 970, and we'll get out there. Okay, says I'm in. Looking for that 970 breakdown if possible. Would love to see a continued push here. Want to see it stay out of this trend though. Needs to get up. Low here is the $10. Looking for it to push out. Out right there. Looking for another entry. Did bounce back down. The high is a 1030. Let's see if it goes below the 10. Then I'll be looking for a 1005. Want to see it get back down there though. May have sold a little bit early right there. We got other things popping up as well. Clue. Okay, so yeah, I should have held a little bit. Let this thing rocket down real quick. Don't like that motion. 1050, 1051, looking good. Looking for that 1050 break. Low here is a 1020, 1025. In there. Be ready to get out if it comes down and stops me. Buyers getting it on back up there. Looking for one more move upward. This will be our new bottom. Low is a 1034 there. Okay, out right there. Okay, 10. That one's got to do a pullback. Clue. Let's get a nice little pullback here as well. Did it have any news on it? It's one of these Chinese stocks. 505. Get a nice little pullback here. High of the 509. Does not have that volume though. We'll continue watching ATNF. Still outside of this trend line. I do like it. 1025. I'll be looking for another entry. 1026. 1026. Looking for another entry here. Use this as my low. 10 cents, 16, 1016. In right there. Using 1016 as my out. Out very quickly. The top side of this is 1032. Looking for another 26 break. I had to get out of there. Looked like it was getting weak right there. It's looking for that new bounce. Yep. Exactly why I exited right there. Crazy move right there. Alright, next one. Clue is also bouncing down a little bit. It's receiving a little bit more volume as well. The high here is the 511, so I'll be looking for a 512. $5.12. There we go. Looking for that 512 snap through. Use this as my bottom, this low here. Low is the 489, but since I'm getting in at the 512, I'm going to risk 10 cents. 512, so that'll be 502. Looking for that 512 to break. Getting back down there. Still holding up that candle though. Getting on down there. If it breaks, I'll cancel that order. Looking for new orders. Wafu still halted. Okay, getting back up there. The 512 is the point that I want to be looking at. It's a little bit high. 510. See if it can get back up there. 502 will be our out. All right, getting on down there. A lot of failing stocks today. A lot of dipping right there. Wafu, it did open up. Looking for over the 10.04, over the $10 mark. 10.01. Did it just halt going down? I think it may have. Let's see if it halted. It's not moving anymore, so I believe it's halted. Yep, halted right there. Wafu. Clue also diving down. Yesterday I did work on a new strategy with getting into and out of these very volatile stocks. I do keep my stops very tight on ranges like this. So as you can see, as I was getting in and out, I'm not letting it drop against me crazy like the other time when I was trading. I forgot the other stock, whatever the other stock was. Well, let's see what kind of halt these are. These don't have good news anyway. They have just very little news. The halts here on Wafu. Let's see, Wafu just has a volatility halt, just moving a lot. We're just gonna watch and wait. I took a couple of trades. I kept those stops around 10 cents. Now this one I believe got a little bit of slippage on me. But around 10 cents is where I was aiming on that, because they were moving like too much from the 80s all the way down. If I set the stop out at the bottom of this wick, that's too much room. So I'm playing within the actual candles now. But anyway, I was going in small size just to see if I can get one to shoot the moon. Clue trying to make its way back up. It's got to reverse that trend. On the daily chart for Clue, it hit the 542. We'll wait to see what it can do. Doesn't have any real news on today, but at least it's not halted. VWAP is at the 493. Looking for that 493 snap through. It's getting plenty of volume now. Let's see, reverse this trend, give us a nice little pullback above the VWAP. Challenging that 492 right now. Okay, I like it. Getting up there to the 5. Wow. All right, let's see if we can stay above the VWAP of the 492. Top side of this is the 505. 505 entry. .505 entry. Risk the 495. 495 is where I'll be risking. Okay, breaking down right there. Breaking down a lot. Wow. Cancel that order. Wait for new entry. Wafu still halted. What time did it halt? Wafu halted at the 9:37. So it should be 9:37:27. So it should be opening up in like a minute. Let's see. 9:37, 9:42. Okay, waiting. We got about 10 seconds till it pops open. Where will this thing open up? Open up quite high. $10. The high of this is the 1010. 1010. Oh, I should size down. 1010, 1011 is where I'll place it. 1011, risking to the $10. Be my sell point. Yep, out right there. Top 1010 again, 1011. Let's see, this top right here is high of the 1011. 1012, I want to see it break. 1012, get out at the 1002. Waiting. Okay, in there. 1002 is my out. Looking for it to give us a little bit of a push. Nice little push up to the 1050 area. My out is at the 1002. Looking, waiting, and watching. I'll be moving up to the 1014 right now. 1014. It's my out. 1014 is in the profit. 80 cents in the profit there. All right, 1050 moving up. 1075 looking like I probably need to put it there. 1075. It may have halted. It definitely halted. So 1075 I'll put it at 1050. 1050. I'll be out of there. So we'll see what it wants to do out of that. I'm just gonna hold that. Clue is also making its way up, looking very savage over here. Look at that, 95 cents in the profit that quick. 95 cents. That's amazing. All right, let's see. This one, Clue. And also, good morning to whoever has joined me on this morning. I don't know exactly who it is, but somebody's here. Okay, going on up there. Clue getting volatile as well. We didn't get a proper entry on Clue. It had already broke out. Let that pull back. $5.27. Go ahead and draw the resistance there. This is our resistance. We want to see it hold. That $5.27. Will it break that down? Tapping on it, broke it. Okay. Will this be a pullback? It's got this ramping green, but I'm pretty sure this one's gonna go red. It looks like it's slowing down. Struggling with that last high right there. So it needs to hold up this bottom of the 519, 520 area. I don't know if it can do it. Looking like it can. Getting on up there. Top side is the 535. So I'll draw that resistance there. Ooh, very small move out. This one went from the 505 up to the, for anybody that just joined, I am halted in WAFU right now. Halted up here. I got in at the 1014 here. Have my stop out at the 1050, and it's halted here. So I am holding that one. Very small share size, but as you know, these can get very, very volatile. So I'm just gonna hold it above the 1050, and I'm looking for trades on Clue right now. And let me look at the time of that halt for your WAFU. WAFU halted at 44.30. Yeah, 44.30. So it should be opening up at 49.30. We'll be looking for that. And we're also looking for trades on Clue. It is extended right now. I'm going to wait for it to consolidate just a bit. $56.26. Okay. Still piling up. I don't like that. It's going to have to get some red at some point. I don't like that setup now. It needs to go ahead and consolidate fully. This is the 48, so 49, 49.30. The other stocks should be opening up. 49.30. All right, this one's still piling up. I don't like that. I believe this drop is going to be kind of big. It's done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes of up. So it's got to pull back. Okay. Still going up. 8 minutes straight. Going up. I'm gonna go back over here to WAFU and get ready. We have 30 seconds until it opens. I have my stop out at the 1050. Would love for it to open up way higher, but you know, we'll see. Don't want to lose because I'm already 1050. I'm already 40 cents in the profit. So if it stops me out here, so let's see it. 24, 25, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Should see it open up here. Bam. All right, there's our open. I'm sitting down here at 1050 right now. All right, there's a little bit more. I'm gonna use this as my bottom, 1070s, 1075, 1075 as my out. So put that, wait, whoa, 1075. New bottom here, low is the 1110s. 1110. So that's our new low, 1110 up there. So we're $1.79 in the profit. Looking for it to find the bottom. Will it stop me out here at the bottom of this candle? Yep, stop me out right there. Whatever. Took a green trade right there. Looking for new trades. AACG, not looking good. What's the news on this one? Trash. Clue did take that dive. I knew it was gonna take a bigger dive because it took too long to get up there. Wafu looking for that 1150 break. 1151. So where we want to see it through. We'll get out at the 1141. That's 10 cents of risk. Looking for it to push up. Right now we're in 10 cents of risk. Moving up to the, we're in at the 56. So at least break even here is where I want to be. 56 there is break even. 12, 17, 56. Okay, let's do the 11.75 for an out. Oh, it's already up there. Okay, $12 for an out. 12. Okay, $12, 12.25. Moving on up, 12.25 here. I may go ahead and sell some up there right now. Sold a little bit. Sold a little bit more. Just holding small share size now. If it pops out again, that's cool. The low is a 12.50 though. 12.50. Took a bit there. Looking a little heavy. I don't have much left anyway. I'd definitely be willing to take out if it does something crazy. Let's look for the 12.75 for our last out, or 13 now. 13. Looking heavy there. Whoops. 13, I'll be out. Very, very volatile stock. Believe it is now not halted. No, it's not halted. If it goes up any more though, I'm in $1.63 there. I think it is halted again. So this level right here, 12.52, 12.50. I put my break in on that last share. Of course, I was taking off on the way up, so we'll just sell if it crashes this level here. And now, like I told you guys, my new strategy, I'm playing within the candles. So instead of using full, like the actual wicks or the actual candles to trade, I'm trading inside the price action of the candles. And as you can see, I'm up $1.63. If I go to my realized gains, look at all of my gains today. $1 and something. Now I did take some small losses at the beginning. 10 cents, 12 cents, 12 cents, 28 cents. But compared to my winnings, that's a lot of money. All right. So anyway, let's get focused back in. This one bounced down, doing another extension. Just not giving much room for entry here. It's very volatile though. So if you're going to trade Clue, did do that nice little pullback. So this one's doing dips. If you bought in here, you could have got a little bit, but it would have came back down. It's getting very extended though. Did 7 minutes of upward motion here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think it's gonna do 7 of it again. It just isn't doesn't work out like that. Looking for a big pull down at some point here. It is fighting for change, so I don't really like it. Keep my eye on WAFU. What time did it close up? The time was 9:53. So we're looking for an open at the 9:58:10. 9:58:10. If it's a 5-minute halt. I'm already green on it, and I only have one share left. If I can re-enter, I will re-enter and continue to hold that share. But we're gonna see. Right now the entry price was $11.56. Exit is $12.50. So it's a dollar of profit no matter what. Now it may give me some slippage. I don't know how much slippage I'll get, but definitely a dollar in the profit is what I'll keep. I may want to keep more than that. Let's move this to $12.75. I'm gonna get greedy. $12.75 there is where I will get out. It'll be $1.25. Cancel that order. Put the new one in. $12.75 is where I'll be getting out, because I want to keep some profit from today. It's up at 13.19 right now, and it may pop up way higher. So we'll see. Because WAFU was a mover from last year, big mover from last year. If you look on the daily chart, went all the way up to 15. I think it went high. No, it went up to 15 last year. So we'll be looking. I don't think it's going to go up to 15, but I'm definitely going to be cautious. See, Clue finally giving another pullback. I don't know if I want to mess with Clue. I'm going to keep on with WAFU right now since it's profitable. Crazy how I only spent $300 today, but I definitely made some good trades and some money. So crazy. So I started today with $800 something. All right, we're looking for that 59 to open up. AACG still piling up. Very choppy stock. I do not like stocks like that. They'll stop me out real quick. Clue bounce back up there over the top for a very small little pop out. I just don't like that stock. Stick with WAFU. 58. Looking for 59.10 for this thing to pop open. Wow, popped open. Low here is the 13.25. 13.25. Yes, sir. 13.75. Put that out there. Whoops. Come on now. Get me out of there. 13.75. Breaks that down. I'll be out. Looking for the 14. Anything else? 14.50. All right. 14.50. New out. 15s. Okay. All right. 15.50 or 15.25. New out. What? 15.50. Wow. Okay. Let's do 15.25. We did 15.25. We'll see what it does there. Another halt. So we'll see. We'll see what it wants to do. It's definitely making me some money. I'm up $4 on this share. $4.02. Got my out right here. 25 cent. A 25-cent drop will put me out of the game here. I may want to Let me see if I bring it down to like the 14, because it may get very volatile and skip my stop, but I doubt it. I'm just gonna let it sit. Right now, here's my entry, 11.56. We're up here to the 15.58. $4.02 in the profit. Alright, let's look at other things. Fedu popped up for just a second. Don't like it. Clue still riding up. ECG. Wow, Clue is really giving a nice little ride today. Now Wafu, it has been going up for quite a bit of time. I do believe we're gonna see a nice little drop on it. So I definitely want to be prepared for that drop. It's at 15.58 right now. I may want to do 15, a little bit lower than the 25, maybe the 20. You know what? I'm not going to change it. I'm going to leave it right where it is. Stops me out at 15.25. I'll take that. So anyway, if you guys are trading today, what are you trading? And, you know, yeah, let me know what you're trading. I'm trading these. I'm watching these three: Clue, Wafu, and AACG. Very, very volatile stocks. Fedu keeps popping in. What's the news on Fedu? No real news. Another Asian stock moving up. This one's got to drop. This one's just insane. What time did Wafu close? Wafu closed at 9:59. 9:59.09. So 5 minutes would be 9 or 10:04.09. Or by my time, it would be 9:04. So I got 2 minutes. Wafu 59. 9:04.09 is what we're looking for on Wafu. Clue is now halted. I guess the good thing about these is none of them had shelf registrations. Now I don't know about Fedu. Fedu just popped up. I didn't do any research on that one. And I didn't do any research on AACG, but Clue and Wafu were here in pre-market. Waiting to see this pop out. Got about 1 minute left. We're looking for the 410 for it to open. 409 for it to open. $904.09. But either way it goes, I can quickly exit this. Even if it does drop, it's not like it's going to erase $4 in a second. Hopefully. Y'all know how these stocks do. They can definitely hurt you. But I've already taken, I did have 5 shares at first, but I probably could have held, but I was kind of iffy just in case it dropped. Let's see where it opens up. Got 10 seconds. Wait. Now 10 seconds. We got 10 seconds until it opens. Looking for it to, if it stops me out, oh well. If it doesn't, hey, continue higher, brother. There it is. All right. Oh yes. Low here is a 16. 16, 25, 16. Ooh, can you get one more pop up? Okay, I'm gonna put my out right there. 16.25, moving up to the 16.50, 16.75 now. 16.75, $17. is what I'm looking at. 17, I'll be out. Needs to stay up there. 1775 moving. 1775 right there. 1825. 1825. I'll be out 1825. Low here is the 1874. Maybe going into another halt. It did go into another halt. We're now up $7. Oh, well, it's still open. $7.90 on this stock. I got my out right here at the 1825, moving up to the 18 or the $19. 19, if I can get it in there. All right, so the $19 is where we're at. We're up $8 on this stock. $8. It did halt, so I'm gonna back that. I'm probably gonna back that stop to the bottom. Let's see, 1870s, 1875 there. Okay, so we're sitting 1875 there. It is looking like it kind of slowed down there. We'll see how it opens for another entry, but it is getting more and more expensive. It's up 300%. We made $7.98. I did not add to this stock because I've learned that when I add, it just goes bad. I'd rather just take the profit. Okay, FHS, Fedu, trash. Clue still halted. Let me see what kind of halt is on Clue. Clue has a halt of got in late but got in with 20 shares. Yes, very wild stock. I didn't want to add because I got in so low. You know, I got in back here at the 1156 on this little breakout here with 5 shares, and then I sold. But of course, with 5 shares, I would have been up a lot more if I didn't sell. But it's all good. I'll take the profit, make a green day. Wafu. Man, everything's halted. Everything is so excited today. I don't like these with this low volume. I think I'm gonna kick them off. I'm tired of seeing them. I want them to work to make it to where I like it. So I'm gonna increase that volume to get them off of there. Yeah, increase that volume, should get some of them off of there. All right, now we've narrowed our vision. We got Wafu on the watch. AACG very choppy. Fedu still pushing up. Man, what is going on today? There's no news, but the Asian stocks are exploding. Like they're on fire. I don't know if these other ones are just getting pumped because of Wafu being up 300%, but I don't know. It's crazy. I know one thing, I'm way in the profit. Bro, you know, it would make me so mad if it opened up like down here at my original value or my original entry. Man, I'd be so mad. I would be furious. But I am looking for another entry though. Just don't want to lose the profit that I currently have. Let me go look at the time and see what time it halted. The time on Wafu was 10:05:38, so it should be opening up at 10:10:38, or by my time it would be 9:10:38. 9:10:38. Let's go, Wafu. Man, you know what? Now that I think about it, man, if I took bigger size, this would have been a monster move. I mean, 798 in a couple of minutes. That's insane. But you know what? You live and you learn. That wasn't a part of my risk today. So, you know, Sometimes you win, and sometimes you think about how big the win could have been. But that's hindsight trading. All right. 9:10:38 is when it's supposed to be opening up. 9:10:38. We'll see. I got my stop out ready to go at that 875. If it snaps through there, get me out of there. You're gonna add more? All right. Well, I'm looking for an add spot, but I have this stop for that last year. But I guess I could average down, but averaging down. I mean, it'll be averaging up if I add up here. So I'm just going to look for a new entry and just get out at the 1875. All right, it's open. New low, looking like the 1990, $20. 2025. Ooh, come on, get that push. One more push up. Ooh, I need to get to the 20. All right, I'm out there. Halted going down. Halted going down right there. We'll see what it wants to do. This is why I had it set for the break of this little candle here. Look at this realized gain. Is this not crazy though? $7 in the profit. Is that not insane? All right. So we'll let that thing halt and do whatever it has to do. And we'll be looking for something else. Fedu finally coming down. Fedu. Clue did open up. Ooh wee. Wow. I don't want that. I can't do it. Because it came down, it snapped this bottom here and then shot back up. We need to see some red. I think it just halted again. And it's not even moving that much. But I do like the new strategy that I am using, playing within the candles instead of using a full candle to get out, because that full candle was losing me money. But now that I'm only risking 10 cents. So if it goes, hey, it can get me $7 per share. But if it doesn't, I'm stopped out 10 cents down. So I'm only risking 10 cents. And so I have I guess you can call that a tight stop, but for my risk reward, I think it's very worth it. If I'm going to lose 10 cents down for $7 up, I think that's worth it. But of course, that doesn't happen every time. So it may be 10 cents down for 30 cents up, or 10 cents down for 20 cents up. Clue halted again. I really don't like the way this one's setting up. It does not look good. Wafu still halted going down. We'll see how much it can drop, but it is more expensive now. Fedu. Looking like it's finding a bottom down there. All right. We're going to see where the new bottom is here in Wafu. What time did it halt? Wafu halted at 10:11:09. So we're looking for a 10:15:09. Or wait, 5 minutes. 10:16:09. 10:16:09. Got 2 minutes there. Fedu going on down. And Everything looks dangerous right now, man. Everything looks dangerous to me right now. But I ain't gonna be no punk. I got $581 left to trade, which is amazing because I only used $300 to get all those gains. So let's get it. Working on accumulating green days, because every green day puts me a little bit further away from a red day. All right, so we got a minute left, and this one will pop open. We'll be watching it very, very closely. Very volatile stock. Has a top up here of the 2103. Don't know if it can get back up there, but I do think it's going to dead cat bounce. So I'm going to put resistance up here. Let's see this party come alive. We got about it's 1540. Looking for the 1609 for it to open up, I believe. Yeah, 1609. Should be opening up any second. 1609. We got 9 seconds left now. Let's get ready. Should be opening up right now, unless this is a 10-minute halt. Yep, it's got to be a 10-minute halt, unless my math is off. Let me see. Closed. Wafu closed at the 10:11:09. So 10:11 plus 5 would be 16. Yeah. So this is a 10-minute halt. 10-minute halt there. All right. Well, Clue. Let's see what time Clue is opening up. I don't even know if I'm saying that ticker right. Clue halted at the 10:12:02. Should be opening up at the 10:17:02. 10:17:02. So we'll watch Clue since Wafu looks like it's doing a 10-minute halt. Wow. Look how much it fell. And it's right back in a halt. Lordy, lordy. Help those people that bought that. Bought that up here. All right. So we're looking at some very dangerous halters. We got Wafu in a 10-minute halt, so it should be opening up in 2109. It should be popping open. 2109. John, are you still holding Wafu? Fedu failing out, going down there quite a bit. Top side of this high is the 227. Looking like it wants to get choppy. I like that 225 break. I'm willing to take that 225 and risk 10 cents. Let's see what it wants to do here. 226. 5 shares. Oh, I'm so glad you exited some of it. Cool, cool. And that's why I like taking profit on those types, because you never know, man. They open up and they don't even give you time to trade. 220. Let's see, will they break this bottom here? 211. Does not look good. Man. This morning, man, I did not expect all this morning. Has a low here, but I don't like green lows. Looks like it will start dipping, so I have my stop at 1730. Yes, good. That's one thing I love about those high volatility stocks. They get so far away from your entry position so fast that it almost saves you as much as it puts you in danger. You know, because if you can be up $1 away from your entry in seconds, that means you can put that stop in there, you know, 50 cents in the profit, $1 in the profit, and still be okay. Fedu's pushing on down. I don't like it. It is 9:20 or 10:20 right now. I think this is supposed to be opening up at the 21. Wafu, where is it? Wafu 2109. Waiting and watching here. People are definitely watching Wafu right now. I do know that. Got about a little less than a minute. Looking for that 2109 for it to pop open. That would be a 10-minute halt. Now, if it's a 15-minute halt, lordy, lordy. All right, Fedu, Clue. It's party time. 9 seconds, 8 seconds. What? Bro, what's up with this stock? How long are they gonna keep it halted? Okay, well, Wafu is still in a halt. So this may be a 15-minute halt. I need to go and check and see if there's news coming out on it. Nope, it's a volatility halt. It's just 2109. It should have opened up. I don't understand that. We'll look at Clue. Let's see what kind of halt Clue has. Clue is 1012. Should be opening up at the 2202. So we'll watch Clue then. 2202. It has not opened up. What is up with these stocks, y'all? Why is it they've gone through their little 10 minutes? These stocks, I don't know if they're about to go under investigation or what. It's taking too long. Okay, so we got Fedu trying to get up. 225 was where I was looking to enter, but now I want to see a pullback before I try that. I want to see it reversing that trend. Fedu. Let's see this pullback. Will it challenge the 221? Get a nice little pullback there. Broke out of that trend. Let me see if I can draw this trend line. It's kind of hard to draw. That's the actual first natural trend that I can draw right there. So I'm gonna let it pull back and re-challenge this level. AACG trash. Wow, Wafu, man, I don't know how long this thing's gonna hold up. I don't know how long it's gonna stay in the halt. But I do know one thing, with it going into an elongated halt like this, people go and look at other things. So be careful for the drop, because the buyers may not be there paying close attention on it. Okay, Fedu is getting out of that trend. I'm gonna see if it can hold out of that trend. All right, getting on down there. So this is the actual natural trend here. So we got our natural trend right there. Hit that area. I'm waiting, man. I'm waiting. I'm excited. I'm excited about today. $503. Not looking good. 625. Fedu fading off of that trend line. This is why I wait for a natural top for a trend line. I want to see it form that natural trend there, because at first it really didn't. It just had like a little curl right here, but now I want to see it get out of this trend line and start holding up. It is 9:25 right now. Wafu and Clue are still paused. I really don't know what they're planning on doing with Wafu. Let me go look at the time. Wafu 11 2. So if this was a 15-minute halt, it'd be the 2709. 2709 for an open. If this is a 15-minute halt. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that drop. Look at that drop from the 1803 on down. Wow, wow, wow. Looking for this candle to close to look for entry. Very, very nasty little drop right there. 1519, 1520s, 1521. Looking for this candle to close. That was a big drop. 1521. I need to size down. What am I doing? Very, very 1521 in there. 1521, 1511. 1511. Wait, I can't get out? Really? Okay. Looking to get out here at the 11. Looking for a little bit of reprieve bounce. May get it, may not. The low here is the 1449. I need to get out. 1449. Did not let me out there. Looking for a little bit of reprieve bounce. I may need to use this low 1430. 1430, I'll have to get out. Getting back. Yeah, I'm just going to get out at the 1430 if it can't hold up. Looking to get back 1513. Looking to get back up to that 15 though. Let's see what it can do. 15's new low is the 88. So 1513 getting heavy there. Yep, stop me out right there. I'm okay with that. All right. Did not get to do my 10 cents right there. 1531. 1531 is where I'll be looking now. 1531. Use this as my low. 1521. Dang it, man. Get in there. 1521. I keep trying. The low here is the 1430s. 1434. And it's going down. Let's get out. Get out of there, boy. Get out of there. Lost a little bit of profit there. I'm okay. Very small share size. Clue is also finding the bottom down here at the VWAP. High here, 594, 575, 576 break. That's where I'll be looking. Whoop, 25. Will it break? Broke the VWAP. Not interested. All right, let's see if we can get going up a little bit. Did break the little bottom here. 1450. Let's see if we can crash that 1451. Then I'll be out at the 1440. Looking for it to give a nice little bounce here. Or it can just break down. VWAP is at the 1318. Okay, gonna cancel that order. Still watching though. 14s. Definitely got a nice little trend down with 1425. 1425. Put it there, and then I'll be out at the 15. See if it can get going, get a little run up. Risking 10 cents. 1350s getting challenged there. 1415 is my entry. I mean, not 1415, wherever it was. 1425. That should be 26. 26. 1426, and then risking down to the 16, so 10 cents. In right there, out quickly right there. Very quick little out. Top side 1426. 100 bucks. 8 shares. Looking for that 1426 break. 1430s. 1451. 1451. I'll be out at the 41. Looking for it to get some reprieve here. Like I said, I'm getting in and out very quick, and I actually gave back some pretty good profits there on that one. So I'm playing within the candle, because if I used the actual candlestick there, I would have lost everything. Would have been super red on the day, holding the bag. All right, so now we got this trend here. Definitely gave back profits. I should have been put that trend up there. I didn't even think about it. So I can see that reference. Clue is not looking good. All right, this one has broken the trend there. So we're looking for a break of the 233. 233, 235 level. 235. What can we do with 140 bucks? Risking 10 cents. That 35 is looking better and better. Let's see the top side, 33. All right, yeah. So I'll play that 35 here and be out at the 25, 10 cents on 50. Very small breakout. Looking for that 35, be out at the 25. Double top there. $25 is my out. I'm gonna let it play here. It's 10 cents. Getting on down there. It is out of the trend. I would love to see it continue up. 35, 25. It's got to make a new low though. Very choppy stock. Okay. Move down a bit. Got our out ready to go. 10 cents down. The 9 is at the 26. I'm gonna let this one chop around a little bit. Got my out ready to go anyway. Come on. Where's the last low? Last low is the 16, but I said 10 cents. 10 cents, so we're gonna let that play. Can we get back over the 35 here? This will be our new bottom. Actually, no, I'm not gonna let that be the new bottom. I want a red candle for a bottom. Let's see if we can push up here. Nice little break there. So got my out right there. Got a very choppy stock here though. What did Wafu end up doing? Wafu still dropping. Clue still dropping. So Fedu is the end all be all, I guess. It is outside of this trend line. Up 8 cents. It was not formed a new bottom yet. We're sitting down here at the 12.24. I'm gonna be profit target right now is a 253 for some of it out. So 253 right there. Get some of it out. Looks like it's forming a new bottom now. All right. Let's see how it holds up here. Getting a little extended, so I may need to snap some off. We're up 10 cents or whatever. Would love to see that 53 get it close to the 53 to start taking off. It's gonna have to form a new bottom though, above this 10 cent drop. So I'm gonna let that play. I definitely need to see some consolidation here. I also need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. I got my stop in there. All right, where are we at? Looking like we're forming a new bottom. Wow, getting on down there, isn't it? Got me out right there. Wow, wow, wow. Went from green. The bathroom break. All right. Let's see what we got here. 1376. I can't believe I gave back all profit for today. That's insane. Complete insanity. This one's lost all of its gusto. Fedu did give this drop here, the 220. Let's see, 222. I gave back all profit on the day, which is just, I saw it outside of this trend. I was like, okay, it'll definitely stay up. But it got stopped out. 216, not looking good now. Bad all around, man. Bad decisions. But I did get some good trading. It's not like I killed my account today. And it is Friday, so I should have been a little bit more cautious on a Friday than to be thinking it would just continue to push. All right, 1452. 1452 coming up there. How much can we get for 26 bucks? Wow. One share. One share above the 1450. So let's take it. 1451. 1450. Get me in there. In there right there. Definitely hold this for a little bit. 1341. The 10-cent rule, let's see, 1451 is where I would like to be out. But since I only have one share, I'm going to bounce that to 20 cents. So 41. Wow, I would have been out right there. All right, let's just use the 9 then. 1378. If it wants to slam down, let it do its thing. Fourteens. Look at this, already up 57 cents. Is that not insane? I mean, really though, come on. Like, this stock is just pure insanity. Literally in a second, I was up 50 cents. I'm gonna get out on the VWAP. I mean, not the VWAP, the 9. Struggling with that 15 right there. I want to see it get past that 15. Passing the 15 right there just a little bit. Alright, so where's break even? Break even is at the 1461. I'm sitting all the way down here at the 1378. Looking for it to jump through that 15. A lot of selling pressure coming in there. But these buying bars, it's a lot of buying as well. Will you stop me out here? Is the question. The 9 is at the 1408. Will you crash it? Will you get bought back up? What will you do here? So this will have to be our new low, 1424. If this is a dead cat bounce, then it's definitely over. That'll be a 40-cent loss here if I move it up. I think I'm gonna do it. I don't want to lose too much. It needs to push this high of the 1472 right there. It did. Pushed over the 75. It needs to continue to push because this is our low right now. This is a dead cat bounce. Let's see what it wants to do from here. Yep, looks like a dead cat bounce. It's got to get up. Got to get some help through the top. This one goes red, I'm out. $14.24. Will it come into play? $14.24. Bouncing back up there. Can we cross the 75? Looking for that 75 bounce. 74. 75. Tapped it. A lot of sellers up there at the 75. Knocked it down immediately. Looking to knock through those sellers. I mean those buyers. The 75. Come on. Yeah, it's gonna stop me. Looking real sluggish right now. Needs to stay above that 50. Broke the 50. Down. Alright. So that is it for today. Let's look over my trades for today. Very insane move on Wafu. Of course, I gave back all my profit, but I'm okay. It's not like I've lost a bunch. My balances is sitting at, look, this is my loss for today, $5.58. Now, I am okay with that. I'm definitely okay with that, considering what I could have lost if I was still using the old strategy that I was using last week. Anyway, for the winnings, $7 for the biggest gain, $1.29, $1.13, $1.09, blah blah blah. This one, how did I lose $1.35? When did I lose that? I think it was one of those that snapped down on me real quick, too fast for me to put in. And then there's a couple other ones that kind of snapped down, so I'm okay with that. Maybe those were my last trades right there that I just got stopped out on. That might be it. But anyway, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video content. Of course, I will be using this new strategy from now on. Today I just overtraded, really. If I look at my my transactions and you look at how many buys I did, let's see how many buys I did. 1, 2. Did I overtrade or did I oversize in on some of those? It's one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright. But that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. And peace out. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.